Both professional corporations, or PC, and limited liability companies, or LLCs, are incorporated legal entities, meaning they require state registration and annual renewals. However, there are key differences between the two that may influence your choice depending on your profession and business needs. A professional corporation is a legal entity created by a group of professionals, such as doctors, accountants, and architects. Governed by state laws, a PC offers shareholders personal liability protection against corporate debts and the negligent acts of other professionals. This structure is particularly valuable in fields susceptible to malpractice. PCs are generally reserved for specific professions. For example, in some states, only professionals like accountants, architects, attorneys, engineers, and physicians can form a PC. Each owner must have a professional license to operate, and the corporation must file articles of incorporation specifying its services. Limited liability companies, or LLCs, provide owners with personal liability protection and are known for their flexible tax treatment. LLCs can have an unlimited number of members and are simpler to form and maintain compared to PCs. Therefore, the main differences between PCs and LLCs are their eligibility criteria and taxation. In some states, licensed professionals cannot form LLCs to render their services and must opt for a PC or a professional limited liability company, PLLC. PCs and PLLCs offer better individual liability protection and are governed by stricter regulations, including the need for licensed professionals. On the other hand, LLCs offer more flexible management and tax options. PCs are usually taxed as C corporations, meaning profits are taxed at the corporate level and again when distributed to shareholders. Electing S Corp status can help avoid double taxation. LLCs offer flexible tax classifications, allowing them to be taxed as sole proprietorships, partnerships, or corporations, depending on their structure. To form either a PC or LLC, organizers must file the necessary paperwork with the state, including articles of incorporation for PCs and articles of organization for LLCs. While LLCs have fewer ongoing requirements, PCs must appoint a board of directors, create corporate bylaws, and hold regular board meetings. Operational and maintenance costs for both entity types vary by state. LLCs often face annual registration fees or franchise taxes, while PCs may also need to file annual reports in addition to paying state and licensing fees. While both PCs and LLCs provide personal liability protection, the best choice depends on your profession and business goals. PCs are ideal for licensed professionals seeking to protect themselves from colleagues' liabilities, whereas LLCs offer greater flexibility and simpler management. Consulting with an attorney or CPA can help you determine the best legal entity for your business. Choose wisely to ensure your business is set up for success. For a more in-depth overview on the topic, head over to the article in the video description. And as always, if you found the video helpful, we would appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribed for similar content in the future. Also, don't forget to visit SimplifyLLC.com for more business-related guides. We'll see you next time.